Hey, if you want to get more ringtones on the Redmi 13C, first of all you have to go to the settings, then scroll down and go to the sound and vibration. Right now select the ringtone, and now you will move to this ringtones store. So let's say that I want to download some free ringtones. And here I can pick this one, for example. So that's how it sounds. And when I click on it, I can tap to set as a ringtone. Click OK. Right now it is downloading. And here it was applied successfully. So right now when I go back and go to the pre-installed ringtones, I can find it right here and click apply. Click OK. And as you can see, that's all. Right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.